John Cristani here. Now, the first almost 100,000 subscribers that I got on my channel, I got purely through using my phone, just camera phone, just shooting myself. Now, most of the people here are using smartphones. I think 85% of you watching this video are using a smartphone right now, and you're also likely addicted to your smartphone. I'll go more on that later. But I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally create a $10,000 or more per month side business shooting videos just from your smartphone in this video. Now, just because you're shooting videos from your phone doesn't mean you need to do some sort of like lifestyle and be super casual vibe. And also, the process for shooting a video from your phone doesn't change just because you're using a phone and not a professional camera. I mean, I'm just using a GoPro right here, which is not that professional itself. But you still want to give content and also deliver a pitch if you're looking to make money from YouTube. As with any educational video or even lifestyle video, you want to start off by giving your viewers an idea or telling them what value they are going to get out of your video when you first start shooting it. Now, what some lifestyle videos do is they show a couple of the funniest clips or the funniest, comedic moments that are going to happen in their video in the beginning, kind of like a trailer for the rest of the video to keep people watching. What we do in educational videos where we're training people, whether it's, trapping animals, building furniture, doing photo lighting setups, making money online, making money with real estate, whatever it is, tell your viewers what value they're going to get at the very beginning. You're going to help them make more money online, or you're going to help them invest it profitably in real estate. You're going to help people save more money, do their taxes, whatever that is. Start out in the beginning telling folks exactly what sort of value they can expect to get in the rest of your video. And everything else is the same process for shooting videos on your phone as it is from a professional equipment. And I'm not even using professional equipment. And the second important point to keep in mind about shooting videos on your phone is you still need to think about and take steps to making sure the quality is good. iPhones, for instance, shoot great videos, but there are lots of phones that don't shoot great videos. I'd say Samsungs are pretty good too. A few things you want to keep in mind is people will not want to watch your videos if they're shaky. So if you have an iPhone or Samsung or something with stabilization technology, utilize it. People don't want shaky videos. If you don't have stabilization stuff on your camera phone, put it down somewhere because people don't want to watch shaky videos. You also still need good lighting. Folks do not want to be watching a video where there's all sorts of weird shadows or you can't see the person's face at all. I'm using, a very simple lighting setup here. I have 2 lighting rigs I got from Home Depot for 40 bucks. Just set them up. They work great. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars if you want to get better quality lighting, or just look at your room and place your lamps the right way so that they shine light on your face without casting all sorts of weird shadows. And same goes for sound. Sound is one of the biggest annoying things for many people. And let me know in the comments, by the way, if you get annoyed by, shaky video or sound, or what else annoys you about low quality videos. But I personally hate it when the sound is just awful quality and I have to really strain my ears to hear what the person is saying. I bought a boom mic, a Rode boom mic for my GoPro, but other people will buy a lav mic, which is, those little mics that you see people on the TV, they have strapped right here. You could even strap it to my beard, right? But I'd say eventually you want to, if you're looking to make YouTube a real side income for yourself and, turn up the notch, is invest in some equipment. But I would not invest in equipment until you've got at least, let's say 40 videos or 2 months of YouTubing under your belt, because otherwise you're just spending money to try to make money without taking action. And don't let purchasing things compensate for an unwillingness to take action. Now, one of the great things about camera phones is that you can use filming on your phone as a reason to just produce videos fast. When I was getting started in YouTube, it was easy for me to just throw up a video every single day without even thinking about it. There's no transfer of files. You just post straight from your phone over to YouTube, and there's a lot of great video editing apps available for free that you can use, and there's some paid ones. Just search the App Store or the Google Play Store and search video editing apps. And you can find a ton of video editing apps that can allow you to edit your videos so that you can spruce them up a little bit and post them to YouTube, so you still, get double benefits there. Fast and easy and free. Now, one thing I used to do is I used to keep a little notepad on my phone, just kind of a memo or whatever it was called, memo pad or something. I forget what it was called. But it was just of topics that I could talk about. My first videos that I put up on my channel, they're all not on there anymore, were all kind of like motivational talk topics. Again, I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't have a process. I was just talking about what I thought people wanted to hear about rather than actually having people tell me what they wanted me to talk about. And I would just take out my notepad, I'd open up my phone and I'd say, okay, here's a good topic. I'll shoot this one today. And I'd go out and just talk about the topic. Really fast, easy, post the video directly to YouTube when I got a Wi-Fi connection. And that way I would get out 5 videos a week. I did that for about a year, shooting on my camera phone, 5 videos a week. YouTube's a great way to start earning money. It's very easy. It's very unsaturated. People are starting, it's becoming a lot more popular now that there's coronavirus and people are finally starting to listen to me and say, oh, okay, you can actually make extra money on YouTube, and you still can. Most people are not willing to put in the hard work to actually make it on YouTube, which takes 6 months of focus, 3 videos minimum per week, and literally not talking about anything you want to talk about, just talking about stuff that other people want to hear about and that's already popular. Again, the formula is really simple, but most folks, like anything in life, are not willing to put in the effort it takes and the dedication and the commitment to make money online. You can start doing this if you are. Type in motivated down in the comments below. Also, if you want to be a part of my channel, I talk about marketing topics every day, and every Monday I do giveaways of money. So I give away a lot of Amazon money. As you see, I take these gift cards and I scratch them off live every Monday during my live question and answer sessions. And make sure you enable notifications after you subscribe if you want to be a part of my money giveaways. Now, some of these gift cards are worth hundreds of dollars. People have already claimed them. Here's some PayPal money. And I give away all of this money through gift cards online every Monday at around 9 a.m. So like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I will talk to you all soon. Thank you for subscribing and supporting the channel and being committed to yourself to making more money online. And also feel free to join, we have a Discord forum. It's like chat forum thing where you can chat with other people about ways of making money online. So join that. Link is in the description. It's johncristani.com/Discord. And love to see you on there. Love to see you get engaged in the community, and love to see you become successful by working online. Thanks for watching. Bye.